Hello children, in our lesson Parts and Wholes, today let's see the subtopic types of fraction. What is fraction? Fraction tells us how many parts of a whole we have. Here, the fraction of the colored part is 1 by 4, means out of 4 parts, only 1 part is colored. In the fraction, the top number is known as numerator of the fraction and the bottom number is known as the denominator of the fraction. So, 1 by 4th part of this figure is colored. Types of fraction. Here 6 types of fraction are written. Unit fraction, like fractions, unlike fractions, proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. We will understand these types one by one. Unit fraction. A fraction in which numerator is 1 is called unit fraction. If you observe these shapes, here the fraction of colored part is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 7, 1 by 16. In each shape, only one part is colored. In each fraction, you can observe numerator is 1. Here numerator is 1, numerator is 1, numerator is 1, numerator is 1. So, those fraction in which numerator is 1 is called unit fraction. Next is like fractions. Fractions with same denominator are called like fractions. This is 1 by 4, means out of 4 parts, 1 part is colored. Out of 4 parts, 2 parts are colored. Out of 4 parts, 3 parts are colored. In each fraction, denominator is same, that is 4. Here denominator is 4, here denominator is 4, and here denominator is 4. So 1 by 4, 2 by 4, and 3 by 4 are like fractions. We can write one more example of like fraction, like 2 by 7, 5 by 7, and 6 by 7. These are like fractions because denominator in each fraction is same, that is 7. Next is unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fraction. In 1 by 2, denominator is 2. In 2 by 3, denominator is 3. In 3 by 4, denominator is 4. So in these 3 fractions, denominator are different, 2, 3 and 4. So those fractions which have different denominators are called unlike fractions. 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 are unlike fraction. Can we write one more example of unlike fraction? Yes. 2 by 5, 3 by 6, 5 by 9. Here denominators are different, 5, 6 and 9. So these fractions are unlike fractions. Next is proper fraction. Fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction. In 1 by 2, numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator is 1 and denominator is 2. So numerator is less than the denominator. So 1 by 2 is proper fraction. 1 by 4, numerator is less than denominator. In 2 by 3, numerator is less than denominator. In 3 by 10, numerator is less than denominator. So all those fractions in which numerator is less than denominator are called proper fractions. So these all are the example of proper fraction. Next one is improper fraction. Fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. Here numerator is 5 and denominator is 4. So numerator is greater than the denominator. So this fraction is the example of improper fraction. Now you will think how we can take 5 parts out of 4 parts. In this case, what we do, we divide the fraction. Here we will divide 5 by 4. 4 ones are 4, remainder is 1. This we can represent as, this is whole 1, this we will write in numerator and this we will write in denominator. So 1 by 4. This 1 shows whole, 1 whole. And 1 by 4 means out of 4 parts, we have to shade only 1 part. So 5 by 4 is an improper fraction and 1 by 4 is known as mixed fraction. One more example of improper fraction. 7 by 4. Here numerator is greater than the denominator. So this 7 by 4 is an improper fraction. How we can represent this 7 by 4? How we can take 7 parts out of 4 parts? To represent this, we will divide 7 by 4. 4 ones are 4. Remainder is 3. This we can write as, this is whole and this 3 we will write in numerator and this 4 we will write in denominator. This means this is whole and this 3 by 4 is fraction. So 1 whole. This is 1 whole and 3 by 4. Out of 4 parts we have to shade 3 parts. We have to take 3 parts. So this 3 by 4 is a mixed fraction and 7 by 4 is an improper fraction. In this way, improper fraction and mixed fraction are interrelated to each other. We can convert improper fraction into mixed fraction and mixed fraction into improper fraction. Mixed fraction. A whole number together with fraction is called mixed fraction. In the example 1 by 3. Here 2 is whole number and 1 by 3 is fraction. So whole number along with fraction is called mixed fraction. 2 whole means 2 complete and 1 by 3 means out of 3 we have to take only 1. So in this way we can represent mixed fraction 1 by 3. 2 wholes and 1 by 3 fraction. We will understand the concept of mixed fraction with the help of one more example. 1 by 4. This is the example of mixed fraction. In 1 by 4, this 3 is whole number and this 1 by 4 is fraction. How we will represent this 1 by 4? We will take 3 whole 1, 2, 3. 3 whole we will take 1, 2, 3. We have represented this 3. Now how we will represent this 1 by 4? We will make 4 parts and out of these 4 parts we will shade only 1 part. In this way we have represented 1 by 4. Let's revise what we have learned today. Unit fraction. A fraction in which numerator is 1 is called unit fraction. For example, 1 by 8, 1 by 9, 1 by 6. These are the example of unit fraction because in this numerator is 1. Next is like fractions. Like fractions are those fractions in which denominators are same. For example, 2 by 9, 5 by 9, 7 by 9. These are the example of like fractions because in this denominators are same 9, 9 and 9. Next is unlike fractions. Those fractions in which denominators are different are called unlike fractions. For example, 2 by 7, 5 by 9, 3 by 6. In these fractions, denominators are different. So these are the example of unlike fractions. Proper fraction. In proper fraction, numerator is always less than the denominator. Like 2 by 5, numerator is less than denominator. 3 by 8, numerator is less than denominator. 2 by 7. In all these fractions, numerator is less than the denominator. So these are the examples of proper fraction. Improper fraction, in which numerator is greater than the denominator, like 5 by 2, numerator is greater than denominator, 8 by 3, 7 by 2. Next is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is a whole number together with fraction like 2, 4 by 7, 5, 1 by 8, a whole number together with fraction. So these are the examples of mixed fraction. Hope so you have understood the different types of fractions. Thank you. Have a nice day.